Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get right into the video. So I apply my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. Now I apply 3 layers of clear dip powder to build the nail. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. Now I apply a few layers of this Modelones black acrylic powder on my nail. I actually built up the nail with the black acrylic powder. I don't like encapsulating black nails with clear because I like the jet black look, and when encapsulating with clear I usually see bubbles on the nail. Now I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now using my Modelones gel top coat, I applied it to the nail, then I cured for 30 seconds. Now using my Modelones chrome powder, I rub all of the colors onto the nail. Then I placed some gel top coat on my palette. And using my Macart detail brush, I just placed lines on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I rubbed off the excess powder with rubbing alcohol. And as you can see, you have a nice chrome zebra stripe nail. Then I top coated the nail and cured for 30 seconds. So this is another accent nail you can do with chrome powders. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.